Welcome back, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel, and another Thursday, another cocktail, and today, no exception, it's gonna be easy peasy cocktail. I did this cocktail a year ago for my friends from Mr Black, and that's it, we're using Mr Black today. But sometimes, you know, you want something refreshing during the day, not very strong, and just to keep you going, but you don't kind of want just to have a coffee, okay? So today, we're gonna make a black mocha. Alright guys, black mocha, very simple, very easy, and as I mentioned, it's one of those cocktails which you can have during the day, of course, with some limits, so don't go crazy on it. But if you want a quick refreshing drink like a lunchtime or afternoon, that's the perfect solution. And if you like the flavor of coffee, and if you like coffee with milk, well, stick around because this is gonna be for you. And of course, if you're new to the channel, don't forget, you can join us, alright? All it takes is just less than a second to press the subscribe button and maybe the small bell so you get notified. If not, every Thursday and Sunday I'm here presenting cocktails and books reviews. It's a shaken cocktail. Very easy. As I mentioned, it's Mr. Black. So I'm gonna grab my Mr. Black. Doesn't matter which one you have. I have the single origin, the Colombia. But before anybody asks, yes, you can do this probably with Tia Maria or with Kahlua or any other coffee liqueur. But bear in mind they're sweeter, so they will introduce a little bit more sweetness. And this one, it's proper coffee cold brew, okay? Bitterness with touch of sweet. It's just so good. Okay, let's put it this way. So it's up to you, but if you don't have it, if you can't find it where you live, you can substitute, and I'll say not with Kahlua, maybe go with Tia Maria. Okay? Kahlua, it's a lovely liqueur, but extremely sweet. Hey, I'm not gonna judge you, it's your call. However, equal measurements of all the ingredients. So first we start with Mr. Black, 25 ml, directly in your shaker. Then we're gonna move to the next one. Let me lift here the bottle for you to admire. So next one we have Southern Comfort Black. Now, that's why it is Black Mocha. We have the black coffee, we have Southern Comfort Black. Again, you know me on this channel, if you want to substitute with Southern Comfort Original, absolutely fine with me. I do like this because it's kind of more on the whiskey side. It's a little bit more punch. But yeah, 25 ml as well. Of course, as always, I'm gonna put the link, the recipe in the description. So it's gonna be converted to ounces, or, you know, they popping down here on the screen anyway, so you can see from whatever you watch and whatever it's easier for you, you can do it. And we need to give a little bit more bitterness and some kind of a healthy vibe to the cocktail. Okay, so we're gonna use Angostura di Amaro, or Amaro di Angostura. Let's put it the right way. So if you know Angostura, I'm pretty sure you know, but the Amaro which they make, it's exceptional. It's very nice. It's have this kind of a vanilla punch in it and also a little bit of citrus. It's pairing fantastic with Mr. Black and with dark spirits, of course. And this one is no exception here in this cocktail. Again, if you're not available, like if it's not available where you live, maybe try with Amaro Montenegro. Okay, it's a good, maybe probably one of the best Amaros, and it's pretty much worldwide available. But if you find the Amaro di Angostura, seriously highly recommend it. 25 ml of the Amaro di Angostura. There we go. And we are done. Okay, we are done with the how to put a beverage ingredients inside. We have only one ingredient left because it's gonna be a black mocha, and we kind of try to recreate the coffee. We're gonna use milk. So I'm using semi-skim milk. It's up to you. If you like full fat, go for it. Now you can use around between 50 to 60 ml. So let's say we're gonna use 60 ml here. Got 45 and another 15. So just to make it 2 ounces, easy to convert. And that's it, guys. Now glass, any highball glass, and this is gonna be a free pour or a dirty pour or whatever people call it, open pour. So we're gonna shake and we're just gonna pour straight away with ice inside. No straining, no nothing. So it's up to you. I do prefer to have like a a little bit like a mixture of crushed ice and normal ice. But again, whatever you have in your freezer, just use it. I need a shaker top. Let's shake this. Fantastic. Give it a good shake, and I'll tell you why. You want to froth this milk, okay? Especially if it's a semi-skim milk. You're gonna have a little bit issues, so you need to give it a little bit more pressure when you're shaking, okay? And that's it. Like I said, dirty, open, or whatever, free pour. Just drop it in the glass. And here we are with our lovely black mocha. Let's put it here. Now, this is optional, but I really like the idea of it. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit pinch of cinnamon. I'm just gonna sprinkle on the top, like some people do like that. And this is it. We are ready, we are steady, we can drink. Serve with a straw or just drink it as it is. It's absolutely whatever you decide. Let's give it a sip. Oh yes, definitely. This cinnamon made big difference on the top. Take that from me. Yeah, it's a black mocha. It's like you're having a lovely afternoon, refreshing cold coffee, but with a little kind of a punch, which is coming obviously just from the Southern Comfort, pretty much, to be honest. A little bit of bitterness and vanilla flavor from the Amaro di Angostura, and of course, you know, unbeatable taste of coffee from Mr. Black. So you can't go wrong with that. Next time when you need a coffee, when it's hot, when you're out, or you're just sitting in your garden and you just want something refreshing, remember this video. And if you didn't subscribe yet, make sure you subscribe so you know where is my channel and you can go and grab the recipe anytime. Of course, it's gonna be available on my website as well, and Instagram probably somewhere in the feeds from a year ago. But yes, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, share, like, comment, and do whatever you like, guys. Go enjoy some black brew coffee, okay? Or just a black mocha, like I call this one. For now, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye.